What am I in the mood for? Italian or soup? Soup or Italian? How about Italian tortellini soup? I have started browning the ground turkey, and I am using ground turkey because it's a leaner meat. It doesn't have nearly as much fat. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions and my garlic. And I'm just gonna let this cook for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add the tomato paste. You can't have an Italian soup without tomato paste. And I am using the no salt to cut down on how much sodium is in it. And I am also using Italian seasoning. Gotta give it a little heat, so I'm using chili flakes, pepper, and of course salt. Now stir that all together and get it well blended. Now I'm gonna add the chicken broth. And I'm also using low sodium chicken broth. Stir this all together and let this sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, my soup has come to a boil, so now I'm gonna add my half and half and stir this and let this get well combined. Now I'm gonna add the tortellini and follow the directions. This should cook probably about 3 to 5 minutes, but make sure you read the directions as far as how long it should cook. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my spinach and just turn down the soup on warm and let this wilt. And then it's gonna be time to eat. All right, so the soup is done. It's time to eat. As you can see, the spinach has wilted. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on top because cheese makes everything better. Enjoy.